Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hi, friends. Welcome home to another calm English talk.
Home. Yes, that's our topic today.
Perfect topic. Everyone has a home story.
True. Whether it's big or small, home is special.
So today, we'll help you talk about your home in English slowly and naturally.
Yes, you'll learn easy words and sentences to describe your home, your room, and your favorite space.
But first, please subscribe to our channel, Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you love your home.
I love mine already, haha.
Of course you do, Thomas. Okay, let's start simple. When we talk about our home, the first line is usually...
I live in...
Exactly. I live in an apartment.
Or I live in a house.
You can also say, I live in a small flat, or I live in a big house.
So I live in is the base sentence.
Let's repeat slowly for practice.
I live in a house.
I live in an apartment.
I live in a small flat.
I live in a big house.
Nice and easy.
Now, let's talk about where you live.
Right. You can say, I live in Delhi, or I live in Mumbai,
Or, I live in a small town near Jaipur.
or even, I live in the countryside.
Yes, countryside means an area with farms, fields, and nature.
And city means a big area with lots of buildings and traffic.
So you can say, I live in a big city, or I live in a quiet village.
I think I'd prefer the quiet one.
You always say that. Now, let's describe our homes a little more.
Yes, the number of rooms, for example.
You can say, my house has 3 rooms.
My apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 living room.
My home has a kitchen, a bathroom, and a small balcony.
Balcony, my favorite place.
Yes, that's where you drink your tea, right?
Exactly. My thinking spot.
So peaceful. Now, let's practice with full sentences.
I live in a small apartment in Mumbai. It has 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, and a balcony.
I live in a house in Jaipur. It has 3 bedrooms, a big living room, and a small garden.
Great examples. Simple and real.
Yes, easy to remember. Now, let's talk about your favorite place at home.
For me, it's my balcony.
Curious. Why balcony?
I like the air, the sound of birds, and my morning tea time.
A perfect place to think, right?
Yes, and sometimes just to do nothing. Haha.
Doing nothing is an art.
True. My best skill. Haha.
My favorite place is my study corner.
The teacher corner.
Yes, it's small but cozy. I have my books, a little lamp, and a comfortable chair.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I like quiet spaces.
So friends, think about your favorite place at home.
Maybe it's your bedroom, your balcony, your garden, or even your kitchen.
You can say, my favorite place in my home is my blank.
Let's repeat a few examples.
My favorite place in my home is my bedroom.
My favorite place in my home is my kitchen.
My favorite place in my home is my garden.
My favorite place in my home is my balcony. See? Simple pattern.
Yes, one line, one memory.
You can add a reason too.
For example, my favorite place is my balcony because I like the fresh air.
Or, my favorite place is my kitchen because I love cooking.
Or, my favorite place is my room because it's quiet.
These short reasons make your sentences more personal. Let's teach some vocabulary for the parts of a home.
Yes, vocabulary time.
Bedroom,
Living room,
kitchen,
bathroom,
garden,
balcony,
dining room,
study room,
garage,
hallway,
roof.
terrace.
Perfect.
Now, let's try describing what's inside your home.
Yes, you can use there is or there are.
Right. There is for one thing. There are for many things.
For example, there is a sofa in my living room.
There is a bed in my bedroom.
There are chairs in my dining room.
There are books on my shelf.
Encouraging tone. Very good pattern to practice daily. Now, let's talk about furniture and things at home.
Sofa, chair, table, bed, lamp, TV, fridge.
Curtain, window, clock, plant, mirror, carpet.
Calm chuckle. You're describing my whole apartment.
Maybe because I've seen your videos. It looks cozy.
It's small but warm. I call it my quiet island.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, but my small home in India feels like a second family now.
That's beautiful, Thomas. Home is where your heart feels warm.
Exactly. Doesn't matter where it is.
So, friends, when you describe your home in English, you're not just talking about a place, you're sharing your story.
Yes, your home is your world in simple sentences.
And we still have much more to share about describing colors, decorations, sounds, smells, and your dream home.
Yes. Dream home part sounds exciting.
Yes. Maybe a soft sofa, a warm cup of tea, and good English talk.
That sounds like home to me.
In part 1, we talked about our homes, where we live, rooms, and favorite places.
Yes, and I remember you said your study corner is your favorite.
Yes, my peaceful little corner.
So now, let's go deeper. Let's talk about details. How to describe your home in more words.
Right. Colors, decorations, furniture, lights. All the small things that make a home feel alive.
Let's start with colors.
Good idea. You can say, my bedroom is light blue.
My kitchen is white and yellow.
My living room has cream walls and brown furniture.
My bathroom is small but very clean.
When you talk about colors, it gives people a picture in their mind.
Yes, English becomes like painting.
Beautiful line, Thomas.
Thank you, artist Sarah.
Next, let's talk about decorations. Small things that make your home special.
Like plants, photos, lights, or art.
You can say, there are some plants near my window.
There are pictures of my family on the wall.
There is a small lamp beside my bed.
There are colorful cushions on my sofa.
Nice and simple.
Decorations are like emotions of a house.
Yes, they show who lives there. Now let's describe size and feeling.
You can say, my home is small but cozy.
Or, my house is big and bright.
My apartment is simple but comfortable.
My home is quiet and peaceful.
I love that one. Quiet and peaceful.
So friends, you can describe your home like this. What type of home it is, how many rooms, what colors or decorations, how it feels.
Step by step. That's the easiest way.
Yes, and don't forget to use your senses, what you see, hear, and feel.
Oh, yes. Let's practice that.
I see sunlight coming through my window.
I hear birds outside every morning.
I feel warm and safe in my room.
I smell coffee in my kitchen.
I hear music from my living room.
I feel relaxed on my sofa.
See? You can use your senses to make your description sound alive.
That's beautiful English practice, not just grammar, but feeling.
Yes, English with feeling is English that people remember.
Let's talk about routines at home.
Oh yes, what you do in your home every day.
You can say, I wake up and make my bed.
I brush my teeth in the bathroom.
I make breakfast in the kitchen.
I drink tea on the balcony.
I read books in the living room.
I watch TV with my family in the evening.
Simple actions, but they show your daily home life.
Thomas, what's your favorite daily home routine?
I think making coffee and watching the sunrise.
That sounds peaceful.
And you?
I like cleaning my desk every morning. It makes me feel fresh.
The teacher life.
Maybe, yes. Now, let's talk about people in the home.
Yes, who lives with you?
You can say, I live with my family.
I live with my parents.
I live with my husband.
I live with my roommate.
Or, I live alone.
That one is me.
Yes, your quiet home life. You can also say how you spend time together at home.
For example, we eat dinner together.
We watch movies on weekends.
We talk and laugh in the living room.
We cook together in the kitchen.
That's very warm.
Yes, it makes your home description more personal. Now, Thomas, let's talk about dream homes.
Oh yes, my favorite part.
Everyone loves to dream about their perfect home.
Yes. Where would yours be?
I think near nature. A small house with big windows, a garden, and lots of sunlight.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you. What about you?
My dream home would be a quiet cabin near the mountains. A small library, a fireplace, and a balcony with a view.
Oh, wow, that sounds like a peaceful storybook.
Maybe one day.
So, friends, when you talk about your dream home, you can use the phrase, my dream home would have.
For example, my dream home would have a big garden.
My dream home would have a swimming pool.
My dream home would have a big kitchen.
My dream home would have a reading room.
My dream home would have big windows and plants.
Beautiful. Let's try one full dream sentence.
My dream home would be near the mountains. It would have a big balcony and a warm fireplace.
My dream home would be near the beach. It would have big windows and white curtains.
Peaceful and bright.
Yes, every dream home has peace.
You can also say why.
Yes, like I want a home near the sea because I love the sound of waves.
Or, I want a home near trees because I enjoy fresh air.
Or, I want a big kitchen because I love cooking.
Or, I want a small, cozy home because I like quiet.
Beautiful reasons. Now, let's help our listeners build a small paragraph.
Okay, step by step.
I live in a small apartment in Delhi. It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen. My favorite place is my balcony because I enjoy the fresh air. My home is simple but cozy. My dream home would be near the sea with big windows and lots of light.
That's perfect. Simple, clear, and full of feeling.
Thank you. Now you, Thomas.
I live in a small flat in Mumbai. It has a living room, 1 bedroom, and a small kitchen. My favorite place is my balcony because I like drinking coffee and watching the sunrise. My home is quiet and peaceful. My dream home would be in the mountains with a fireplace and books.
That's so Thomas.
Yes, I'm predictable.
Friends, you can make your own version like this.
Write it, read it aloud, and practice every day.
The more you describe, the more natural your English becomes.
Yes, and describing your home is like describing your heart.
That's true, Thomas. Home is where your story lives.
Before we end, let's say a few soft affirmations for today.
Yes, repeat them in your heart. My home is my safe space.
My home makes me feel calm and happy.
I enjoyed my time at home.
I take care of my home with love.
I speak about my home with pride.
I'm grateful for my home every day.
Beautiful energy.
Yes, peaceful ending for a peaceful topic.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us again today.
We hope you enjoyed learning how to talk about your home in English.
And please tell us in the comments, what's your favorite place in your home?
We'll read and smile at your answers.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep loving your little world.
And remember, your home, your English, and your smile, they grow together.
Beautiful line to end with, Thomas.
Thank you, Sarah.
See you in the next episode, friends.
Bye for now.